Here, a little bird, y'all. Look like this bird having some little bit of difficulties. Because as you see, I'm like super close. Boy, don't know where your, your, your mom at. You done fell out the tree? Okay, I guess I got you to hop in the walking because, wow. Real close up, y'all. Bird looking up like, God dog it. Eyes closed. Aww. Hmm. Well, hopefully your mom can come swoop you up. I think you left the nest a little bit too early. But you was hopping, so your legs was good. Must have flew a little bit to get down here with us. Really? You see how they close their eyes from the bottom up? If you do another eye view, I mean, you got your eye closed. Okay, thanks, yeah. No, you ain't got no food. All right, y'all. Peace and blessings be upon you. It's my little bird vid. All right, till next time. Later, y'all.